The most dangerous financial decision you will ever make does not look like a mistake. It looks exactly like responsibility. Millions of intelligent, capable people are quietly draining their own potential, not through reckless gambles, but through a silent psychological trap. Something strange happens when people decide they want to build wealth. They look at their current situation, they look at the market, they look at their bank account, and they make a highly rational, completely logical decision. They decide to wait until next month. They tell themselves that next month the budget will be clear. Next month the market will stabilize. Next month they will have more time to research. It sounds prudent, it feels safe, but it is an illusion. This is not a financial strategy. It is a psychological defense mechanism, and it is the exact mechanism designed to keep you exactly where you are. If you want to understand more hidden patterns like this, subscribe to the channel now, because what feels like careful planning is actually a hidden system of behavioral control. Let us observe a common scenario. Imagine a professional with a good income. They are not struggling to survive. They have surplus capital, they read the books, they watch the videos, and they understand the mathematical power of compound interest. They know they need to invest. But every time they open the brokerage account, a quiet alarm goes off in their mind. They see a news headline about an impending recession. They remember an unexpected car repair they had to pay for last week. They look at the upcoming holidays. The friction feels just a little too high. So they make a mental compromise. They do not cancel their plans. They simply delay them. I will start on the 1st of next month. When they say these words, their brain rewards them. They get the exact same dopamine rush as if they had actually made the investment. They feel responsible. They feel organized. But when the 1st of the month arrives, the cycle repeats. A new unexpected expense appears. A new terrifying headline flashes across the screen. The perfect moment never arrives. Months turn into years. Years turn into decades. And this is the part almost nobody realizes. This behavior is not a personal failing. It is not a lack of willpower. It is a predictable human algorithm. You see, human beings are not wired to evaluate abstract future gains against immediate present friction. Psychologists call this present bias. We heavily discount the future to protect the present. When you say next month, you are not actually making a schedule. You are shifting the cognitive burden onto a fictional character. You are imagining a future version of yourself. In your mind, this future version of you is entirely different from the current you. Future you has endless free time. Future you has no unexpected bills. Future you has perfect emotional discipline and zero financial anxiety. But future you does not exist. There is only the present you, interacting with a system that thrives on your hesitation. I want you to pause for a second. Have you ever fallen into this exact trap? Comment the word wait if you have delayed a decision for perfect conditions, or comment act if you prioritize immediate execution. This brings us to the larger system. Why is it so easy to delay? Because the entire financial and media ecosystem is perfectly optimized to create the friction that causes your hesitation. Let us break down how this hidden machine operates. Financial institutions, media conglomerates, and attention economies do not want you to act decisively. They want you to consume perpetually. Consider the daily news cycle. Financial media does not generate revenue by telling you to invest consistently in a quiet, boring manner. They generate revenue through engagement, and nothing drives engagement like uncertainty and fear. Every single day there is a new reason the market might crash. There is a new geopolitical crisis. There is a new inflation report. If you wait for a month where the news is entirely positive and risk-free, you will wait until the end of time. The media complex manufactures the exact anxiety required to trigger your biological pause response. But the real system hides one level deeper. While you are waiting, who actually benefits? The banking system. When your money sits in a checking account or a low-yield savings account waiting for next month, it is not actually resting. The bank is actively using your hesitation. They sweep those deposits. They lend them out. They invest them in the very markets you are too afraid to enter. They are generating compounding returns on your capital while you wait for the perfect moment. Your paralysis is their profit margin. Most people never learn these systems unless they actively study them. If you are beginning to see the pattern, take a moment to subscribe. This brings us to the core misunderstanding. The mistake most people make is believing that hesitation is a neutral act. They believe that if they do not invest today, their money simply stays the same. Money is never static. It is always moving. If it is not growing, it is actively decaying.
Inflation is the silent tax on hesitation. Every single month you wait, the purchasing power of your capital evaporates. The system quietly shaves off a percentage of your labor. But the psychological trap is that you cannot see the decay. Your bank balance looks the same. The numbers do not drop. $1,000 today still says $1,000 next month. The illusion of stability masks the reality of loss. Intelligent people fall into this trap constantly. They mistake inaction for safety. They overanalyze. They build elaborate spreadsheets. They track historical data. They wait for the market to dip so they can buy at the perfect price. But trying to time the market is simply another variation of the next month illusion. It is a mechanism to delay the emotional discomfort of parting with liquidity. This is where the illusion begins to break. Let me ask you a critical question. Think carefully before you answer. Do you think financial success is mostly timing or mostly systems? Share your perspective in the comments below. Because people who understand this hidden pattern behave entirely differently. They recognize that the perfect month is a mathematical impossibility. They do not try to eliminate the friction. They simply automate their way around it. Those who break free from the trap do not rely on motivation, and they do not rely on perfect conditions. They build a personal system that removes their own psychology from the equation entirely. They understand that taking action while conditions are imperfect is the only way to capture compound growth. When an informed individual gets paid, they do not look at the news. They do not check the geopolitical climate. They do not wait to see how much money is left over at the end of the month. The money moves instantly. It is routed into investments before their brain even has time to register the loss of liquidity. Before the dopamine loop of planning can even begin, the action is already completed. They understand that time in the market will always defeat timing the market. Comment the word progress if you understand that imperfect action beats perfect hesitation, or comment perfect if you still struggle with wanting everything aligned. By removing the decision-making process, they bypass the fear. They starve the hesitation. They stop playing the game the media wants them to play. They stop funding the banks with their idle capital. They reclaim their financial agency by acknowledging their own human flaws. They accept that they will never feel fully ready, and they act anyway. But this shift requires a profound change in perspective. You must stop viewing your current self and your future self as two entirely different people. The habits you tolerate today are the exact habits you will possess next month. If you cannot invest $100 when things are tight, you will not invest $1,000 when things are comfortable. The friction never disappears, it only changes shape. The amount of money is irrelevant. The behavior is everything. Once you truly understand this, you stop negotiating with your own procrastination. You stop treating your wealth like a future event and start treating it like a present obligation. We live in a world designed to keep you distracted, fearful, and constantly waiting. The entire architecture of modern society wants you to delay your power, because a population that perpetually waits is a population that is incredibly easy to manage. Most people spend their lives reacting to the system. They wait for permission. They wait for the perfect economy. They wait for a feeling of total security that will never arrive. But a few take the time to understand the architecture of the trap. They stop reacting and they start executing. They realize that the cost of acting imperfectly is far lower than the invisible cost of waiting. And once you see this pattern, you cannot stop seeing it. The next month illusion shatters. You realize that tomorrow is just a concept and next month is just a hiding place. There is only today. There's more content not released publicly. Some parts of this story aren't available on YouTube. If you want access, it's inside the archive, link in the description. If you want to understand the hidden rules behind money, psychology, and power, subscribe to Hidden Secrets Archive. Every video on this channel breaks down the patterns most people never notice. We explore the invisible forces shaping your decisions, your wealth, and your reality. Because once you understand the system, you stop reacting to it. Take control of your time, take control of your mind, and never wait for next month again.